Hello, today I'm going to show you what a Classwork section looks like in a Google Classroom that's already set up. So I'm going in as a student view. So this is exactly what your students see when they log into Classroom. So this is a template that I use year after year to generate all the assignments and activities that I need. Of course, I change things up, but for my science classroom in 5th grade. And as a student, I can have access to the stream, classwork, or I can see who's in my class. If I click on the top with classwork, I can then see a couple of different options. I can view the assignments that are coming up due. I can see my Google Calendar and assignments. I can go to Google Drive and see all of the different documents that my teacher has shared with me. And then I see this huge long list of topics. Topics are a great way to break up your assignments and to see everything in an organized way. All of the topics can be viewed at once by clicking All Topics, or you can go into each one individually on the left-hand side by clicking into any of the topics at any point. So as a student, it's great to see these topics and to know where things are located, important classroom materials, things to work on that week, or even just things to work on in a particular unit are great to see all in one section. As a teacher, this also helps you organize yourself into several different units, keep yourself organized in your own classroom management styles, and it's just really helpful to keep yourself on task with what you want to teach, whether you're doing a flipped classroom model, distance learning models, or even just using this as a supplement to your in-class instruction. So if you check out the next video, I will walk you through how to create one of these topics, create assignments and questions and materials all throughout the next several videos.